Hi guys, Rjpasini here from shop RJPASINI.com. Today I'm just going to do a quick, really short, brief, a little intro here. You love the item but not the price? Make an offer. Folks, what I'm going to show you right now, I got 2 pages to show you. I'm going to scroll down for those who are new to my channel and to my subscribing to me. I just want to say thank you very much for your support by subscribing to me. And I just want to make this quick video for those who are not aware of the items I sell. I'm just going to scroll down and let you get a quick gander at the stuff I have. And please note that everything I have here outside of the Sony Touch Edition reader is got best offer on it. I've been lowering the prices down really dramatically here. A lot of these things, I need to move the merchandise out. And if you are interested, please don't hesitate to make a best offer. So without further ado, I'm just going to scroll down, let you see what I have, and then you could take it from there. So I'm going to scroll down here on this page here just to give you an idea. You could always stop the video if you do see something. I'm going to drop the links below to show you what I have to offer, that if you are interested in these merchandise here, and you could purchase it that way. But I just want to let you know, a lot of this merchandise, pretty much everything here, has been reduced. And even though it's reduced, I'm still offering best offers, reasonable offers. So please don't hesitate to make it, a reasonable offer. Okay. A lot of these items here do have watches. Pretty much a majority of them do. And if you guys want to get on it, if there is anything you like, please check it out. Okay. So I'm just going to scroll down here. I'll let you see what I have. And again, please don't hesitate to make that best offer. In the meantime, I just want you to know that a lot of the stuff I've had on eBay for quite some time now, and I am trying to move it. So, your help, if you like anything or if you know anybody that may be interested in any of these items, please check it out. Okay, so we're going to keep going, scrolling down here. I had listed some new things yesterday, and you might see them, it might show up as a new listing. I'm not sure, but if you do, you might check it out for yourself. I did a sneak peek video earlier, so you guys might want to look into that as well. So we're just going to move right along. It's only 2 pages, folks. This video should be no longer than not even 5 minutes, if anything. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet, so I want to leave it at that. Let's keep scrolling down here. Sorry, I'm doing it with a mouse here, so it's kind of like it looks a little jolty, but if you are interested in looking at some of this stuff, you could always stop the video or play it back. Oops, sorry guys. Hand keeps slipping over here. Yeah, I know there's probably a better way of doing this here to just scroll down, but I'm using my mouse, so that's probably why it's jittery. A lot of this merchandise is pre-owned, folks, just to let you know. But it is in good condition. For those who know me, I very rarely will put up something that's really badly tattered or really disheveled. I don't like selling merchandise like that. So please check it out. As you can see, some of these here say this listing has a sale in 16 months. I've revamped those here, so those eBay never get a chance to refresh their system apparently, but they have been updated, just to let you guys know. And this is what we got. And I've got another window here to just jump on this one here, and it's the top of page 2. And again, check it out for yourselves, guys. Oops, we don't want that. We want to be able to see it. There we go. And also, I just want to say, in showing you these items, I think a lot of people, even though they have best offers, I think a lot of people are intimidated by the prices. And, there's no need to be intimidated by it, because, like I said again, I have been lowering the price. You can see the prices here. They're very cheap. I mean, I don't think there's nothing over $100 here, as you can see here, folks. There's nothing here over $100. I noticed some people might have said or think to themselves, that the prices on certain things are higher, but like I said, those items were reduced, and I had been dropping the prices dramatically on these things. So I hope you guys find some kind of offer here that you may think is good. Some of the items are getting ready to go off, like some of the red. This one here is showing you 6 hours. I do have some that had the 12-day listings, but there are, I think there's 10 it's gonna be ending today. I don't know which one they are. I have to check out and see what that's all about. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling down here. And I offer a satisfaction guarantee on all this stuff. So if you buy something, folks, and you're not happy with it, you're not stuck with it. So please, I don't want you to think that if you buy something from me that you're stuck with it, or I'm going to give you a hard time. I don't do things like that, folks. If you're not happy with the merchandise, please send it back. That's all. Like I said, I don't want to see you unhappy. The whole purpose of doing these videos, sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos, is to enlighten you, the potential buyer, as to what what I'm selling here. So you're my #1 priority. Okay, so please keep that in mind. All right, we're coming to the end here, folks. So check it out and see what you got here. All right, we're just about finished, and I think we're coming right about to the end. Okay, this has been updated too, folks. As you see on the Hot Wheels, that was added yesterday. So what I did was I took out one that wasn't selling, that was listed, that's been stagnant for all those months, and I revamped it with this new one here, this Hot Wheels collectible Jaguar set here. So that's been updated, folks. Okay, and I think this is about it. Right about now, we should be coming to the end. Okay, and that's it, folks. That's what I got going on. So if you are interested in this merchandise, please bear in mind all of these items outside the Sony e-reader all have best offers. I reduced the price on them. If you see anything you like, please don't hesitate to make that best offer. This is Rich Pasini from RJPASINI.com. I'm signing off. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your weekend and have a great day. Bye-bye now.